Here we are just outside of Charleston, and we've run into a snag. With all the rain, our boards were sliding. So Brian came out and cut notches in the board so that the boards would stop sliding off. The Lord protected us though. This board here slid and was here, pinned by the foot, and this tub. And then on the next bit of the leg of travel, this board started to slide. And there's Daddy Man working on putting it back together so it doesn't slide off. Boards got too wet. And they started slipping in the rain. No travel comes without a hiccup. This one came with hiccup. But God protected us. We didn't cause an accident. We didn't have one. So praise the Lord.